Okay, well guys, welcome back to one more video of our journey. Yes, we can say our journey of learning FreeCAD and designing this PowerBank of mine here in FreeCAD. So today let's try to finish here this outer shell. Okay. Last video we got to this point here where we designed this part here so we can capture the battery. So now let's see what can we make here on this. Let's hide the battery so we can work better. Guys, if you select the item and press spacebar, it will auto hide. Okay. Cover housing, just in the cover, make it active so we can work on it. And let's see, I have the SketchUp drawing here. Let's open it. Okay, so let's try and make these little details here. So we have to mirror this thing here to down here. Okay, we can do this now. Let's see. We can select the operation, this path here. And maybe first we select the mirror feature. Where is it? Right here. With new body. Oh, we have to activate the body. Okay. So now the path, mirror, not that way, the other way. Select the plane, maybe this plane. No. Feature this path. Mirror patterns like this. Or select reference. Yes. Now select the path. Oh, yeah, that's it. Why did the path disappeared? And my mirror is up here. I don't know. Cancel. Oh, the chamfer is selected. Okay, you have to go to the path. Now we do it again. Mirror. And we're going to select the reference. And now we select the plane. And that's it. It's disappeared again. Why? Why does it disappear? Okay. The mirror, I don't know, maybe it's because the datum plane is first. I don't know. If you guys can tell me what is going on, why did the mirror got before the path? I couldn't understand. Let's see, this is the sketch, right? This is the path that makes this feature here. Why did the mirror got before the path. I don't understand. Okay, doesn't matter. The result is what I want. Okay. So yeah, let's hide the sketch. Now we have these features here. So let's see, how am I going to measure this to the center of this thing here? Maybe, let's see, where's the measure tool? Here, from here to here. 21.29. Okay. Let's make this shape here. So okay, so I want to make a sketch on this face and draw an hexagon like so. Okay. Now all of these are equal, right? This one is okay. Let's see. This is what I want. Yes. Now dimension, we have to get the reference from this edge. So like so. This one also. Let's make it construction line. Construction line. Now the dimension from the center, say from here to here. It's 1.23, I think. That was the measurement. And the distance from here to maybe this vertex right here. Let's leave it as is. Let's check the dimension from here to here. So 7 points. I'm going to make it 8 millimeters. Here, 7 millimeters. Okay. So 7. What is missing? Okay, the diameter of this. Okay, or some this measurement here. You can put the diameter to constrain this, or dimension of one of these sides. So let's see what we have here. Let's make something. Let's try to find the diameter. And from here, let's get the center point and make a circle, and its radius of 8.97. Okay, so can add a circle here just for show. 8.97. Okay, let's put the radius. Not like this. Radius. Like this. This is the diameter. 8.97 times 2. Okay. Now it's fully defined. Okay, that's what I want. Let's close the sketch and make a path, a cut path, or a pocket. In this case, pocket of how much does it go down? 1 millimeter. So god damn it, why does the sketch is before the path? That's not right. Move object to, no, move feature after the path. Okay, now it's right. That's, I don't know why did we do that. Okay, so pockets. Dependencies on object sketch says. Why does it? What? What happened? What? I don't get it. I don't get it. Move feature. Let's move it back where it was. To sketch. Okay. Now, okay. Why? Dependencies cycles. Let's undo this. Move feature inside what? Move. Yes. Do again. I don't get it. Okay, guys, I think I know what was going on. The order here of the path was after the mirror, so it has to be after the datum plane because the sketch depends on the datum plane. Then it's the mirror. Now it should be. I knew there was something wrong. So now it's okay, and now we can make the pocket. So like the sketch, pocket feature, 1 millimeter, and here we go. Okay. So now I think I'm going to make we're going to mirror it to the other side. So let's see, mirror feature, and I'm going to, what happened? No, it doesn't have nothing selected, so we need to select the pocket. Now we're going to make the mirror, and not like this. I'm going to select the reference and add this plane here. Okay, and here we go, like this. Okay, now I need to create a sketch on this plane here. So I can extrude this feature here. Okay, I'm going to show you. This feature goes all around the case like so. Okay, so I'm going to make a plane up there and I'm going to extrude it down. Okay, so let's see if I can make this. Select this face. I'm going to make a new sketch here. Okay, I'm going to make the section so I can view what so I can see what I'm doing. Oh, this was already toggled. Okay, like this, and I'm going to make a sketch. So add a circle here. Going to add. Going to take this line here and this line down here. I'm going to take this line here and I'm going to make it a construction line. I'm going to make this and this like maybe equal. Yes. And now I'm going to make them tangent also. Tangent, so it's concentric. Now I'm going to make an offset of this line here. So like offset 1 millimeter inwards, because that's the distance from here to here. So 1, and it has to be this one and this one. Maybe I can make them like this. They are the same. Now line from here to here, like so. Line from here to here. This didn't snap as tangent, so we have to make a tangent like this and trim the excess like this. The reason that is not green, why is that? Oh, okay. So this line, this point, and this point has to make coincidence. This point, like this. Okay. Now we do the same thing here. This one and this one. Here and here. Tangent. Yep. And I got to trim these lines here. This one and this one. This one here. And our constraints disappeared, so trim this on tangent. What else? This one and this one. Tangent also. Okay. Oh, I know, it's missing the 1 millimeter, so we have to make this horizontal. This one also horizontal. What is missing? Okay. Not tangent. It's not tangent. Tangent, okay. Now it's fully defined, I think. Yep, all green. We have our sketch, close, and we can extrude it. Okay. Extrude. Oh, path. Oh, it's not path, sorry. It's pocket. Pocket. And we're going to make it go up to face. And we're going to select the face. And it's going to be this face here. Okay, that's the result I wanted. Okay, cool. So, next step, we have to do another one of those hexagons down here. And why is that? Because on the end when we are completing our project, I want to make this case, this PowerBank case, parametric, so that I can change to from one battery to 2 batteries, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. Okay, maybe I don't know. This is let me see. Let me show you the design here. The bigger one has 6 batteries. Okay, and here's an example of a smaller one which has just 3 batteries. So I'm going to make a path. The other one down. I'm going to make all these features in one, then we're going to pattern them down, and it's going to be variable. Okay, that's the idea. So I'm thinking, okay, next let's try to make that cut out here. Okay, this is going to be, I don't know, let's see, to make a sketch here in this face. So sketch, going to get these lines here, going to make a rectangle from here to here, make the lines construction lines. Okay, just reference lines, and I'm going to grab this line here, this edge here, so we can put the dimensions here also. So construction line also, and we have here, let's say 23.5 millimeters. Okay, let's say from here to here 23.5, and let's make this line, this dimension here. Let's see what have we here on the SketchUp. 27. Let's make it to set. This is all weird numbers because SketchUp isn't very good with precision. It is, but at the time I didn't care enough with this. Now that we have FreeCAD, we have to do it right. So let's make this 27. And the cutout here. So let's take this out of the way. The sketch, and let's extrude. Let's make a pocket. up to face, and let's select the interior face. This is here. Okay. Now we have, let's see how am I going to do the other features here. Let's make a chamfer, maybe. A chamfer. That has the dimension of like 3 millimeters, and for the inside, let's see. 3 by 3 millimeters by, let's say, 3 by 3. No, it's from here. It's from here to here, 3 by 2. Okay. So here and here. I don't know if we can make the both at the same time, because I think they're going to be in the opposite side. So I make a chamfer, and I say that these two distances, and one is 2 millimeters and the other one is 3 millimeters. Okay, that didn't work. Maybe this one is 2 and the other one is 3. Yes, okay, that's good. I thought it was going to make it that one side is going to be correct and the other side is going to be the opposite. So that it isn't true anymore. I think once I did that and it did that and it showed me those results, but maybe it was fixed. Maybe not, I don't know. Maybe it was just me. So, right, now we have those small chamfers on that line also. So let's are, I think it's 1 by 1. Yeah, 1.5. 1.5. So let's make it 1.5. So new chamfer, and let's select the edges. 0.5. Select. Can select this one. Oh, okay. This one. This one here. And this one here. Okay, 1.5 and okay. Okay, error. Why is that? Why do we have an error? It's weird. Let's cancel and make just one, maybe. Chamfer. Oh, I think I get it. Because one thing that I noticed, and I saw some of you guys I saw some videos that explain if you are making a chamfer or a fillet, and one of the vertices or one of the edges is going to disappear. For example, in this case, if I make it 1.5, one of these vertices is going to disappear, or the edge is also going to disappear, because it's going to converge to just one. Okay, and FreeCAD can handle that. so it crashes. That's why I have to make it just 1 millimeter, or for example, maybe I just make this one, make this one here, and the other side I make 1.5 maybe. Doesn't really matter, just a small feature. I won't select the other ones. I'm going to leave it as is with 1 millimeter only. But that's the case, okay? If you are making a fillet or a chamfer, and for some reason one of the edges is going to disappear, it won't work, okay? I'm going to show you one example. Okay, let's make it okay here. For example, in my design, let's say here, let's show you this design. I have a chamfer right here, okay? This is chamfer. This is not how I designed. I was going to add the chamfers later, okay? But if I make the chamfer of 1 by 1 on the FreeCAD, is not going to work. Let me show you. Let me show you. For example, I'm going to make a chamfer here on this edge, and it's going to prolong one. I know that this distance here from this edge to this edge is 1 millimeter, and if I make a chamfer here of 1 millimeter, one of the lines is going to disappear. The lines of the chamfer. So let me show you. 1 millimeter, this edge, okay, and do okay, and it throws an error. See? Now, if I make this just 9.999, okay, no, not 9, sorry, 0.999, almost 1 millimeter, okay, and I make this edge. See, now it works, okay, because it's not 1 millimeter, it's 9.9999, okay. And if you zoom all the way, you'll see that it's not quite 1 millimeter. See, that's because this edge I don't know why this happens, but I saw some videos, and that's what you have to do for now, so you don't have that error, okay? So okay guys, I hope you enjoy the type of content that I'm doing with the FreeCAD, okay? I want to show you guys the struggles that I'm facing with FreeCAD, so we can learn together, okay? So see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content, and bye for now.